In the realm of Indian income tax, Form 13 plays a crucial role in helping taxpayers manage their tax deducted at source, or TDS. TDS, as many know, is a system where tax is deducted at the source of income itself. This mechanism ensures a steady flow of tax revenue to the government throughout the year. However, sometimes the TDS deducted might be higher than your actual tax liability. This is where Form 13 comes in. Form 13 is a declaration you furnish to your deductor. It essentially informs them about your estimated total income and any other deductions you are eligible for. By submitting this form, you provide your deductor with a clearer picture of your tax liability. This can lead to a more accurate deduction of TDS from your income. Why is this important? Because excessive TDS deduction can lead to a blockage of your funds. You might have to wait for a refund, which can sometimes take time. Form 13 empowers you to potentially reduce your TDS liability and optimize your cash flow. Form 13 is particularly beneficial for individuals whose income sources are not subject to TDS or where the TDS rate is higher than their estimated tax slab. For instance, if you earn interest income from fixed deposits or receive rental income, you might consider filing Form 13. The process of filing Form 13 is quite straightforward. You need to submit it to the deductor from whom you are receiving the income. This could be your employer, bank, or any other institution that is responsible for deducting TDS from your payments. The good news is that there's no need to file Form 13 with the Income Tax Department directly. One of the most significant advantages of filing Form 13 is the potential reduction in TDS. By declaring your estimated income and deductions, you provide your deductor with the information they need to calculate your TDS more accurately. This can result in lower TDS deductions, leaving you with more disposable income throughout the year. Moreover, Form 13 can be particularly beneficial if you have other sources of income or deductions that your deductor might not be aware of. For example, if you have made investments that qualify for deductions under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act, or if you have housing loan interest payments, declaring these in Form 13 can help reduce your overall tax liability. Filing Form 13 is a relatively simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate it. First, obtain the form. You can easily download Form 13 from the official website of the Income Tax Department. Next, fill in the details. Carefully fill in all the required details in the form, including your personal information, PAN, estimated total income, deductions, and tax liability. Then, submit the duly filled Form 13 to your deductor. It's advisable to keep a copy of the submitted form for your records. Finally, your deductor will verify the information provided in the form and adjust your TDS deductions accordingly. By following these simple steps, you can effectively leverage Form 13 to potentially reduce your TDS liability and optimize your cash flow. In conclusion, Form 13 is a valuable tool for taxpayers in India. It empowers them to manage their TDS effectively and ensure that their tax deductions are aligned with their actual tax liability. By understanding the purpose, benefits, and filing process of Form 13, taxpayers can make informed decisions to optimize their tax planning and financial well-being.